Okay, so straight line method, straight line method. The another name is fixed cost, sorry, fixed installment method. Another name is original cost method. These are the different names for straight line method. In this method, yesterday we learned two type of formulas. One was with the life of the, if estimated life of machinery is given, then we will calculate the depreciation. Depreciation is equals to cost of assets plus, minus scrap value divided by estimated life of asset. ठीक है. दूसरा फॉर्मूला था, if percentage is given, then how we will calculate depreciation? Cost minus scrap value divided by 100 and multiplied by percentage. ये percentage ही है. Clear? These were the two formulas in straight line method. Once the depreciation is calculated, the same amount of depreciation will continue whole life. Is it? And at the end of the life of that machinery, the value of machinery will become 0. Clear? Let's go for numerical. Yesterday, a small numerical we finished. Now, we will have a complete numerical with various problems. First of all, I'll explain the question and here I'll make rough work. First of all, you all will understand the rough work. The question is, on 1st January, first machinery purchased, then 1st January 2012, first machinery purchased, then on 1st of July, another machinery purchased, July 2013, another machinery purchased, and afterwards, on 1st, 30th September 2015, first machinery was sold for rupees तो लिखे ही नहीं अभी हमने. First machinery was purchased for 50,000. Second machinery was purchased for 40,000. And first machinery, after some time, the first machinery was sold for 25,000. Okay. Depreciation is given 10% per annum. Mind it, per annum will be given always. Okay. So per annum means for 12 months. You have to consider the months also. Next thing is, account books are closed on 31st December every year. This is our question. Okay. On 31st December, every year accounts are closed. This is our question. Let's see. First of all, I'll make here rough work, then we will start the proper machinery account. Okay. See, this is 1st January 2012 and the year starts 2012 की बात हो रही है. No matter whatever is given, 1st January given or something else given, matter is first year is 2012 and the year is 1st January to December, isn't it? So year is followed 1st January to December. I'll make here 1st January to 31st December. This is 2012 and then 2013. 4 years का बनाना है हमें. Depreciation, machinery account for 4 years. Then let's see how we will prepare it. 2012, then 2013, January to December, second year, 4 years बनाना है ना, then 2014 to December, this is third year, and the fifth year 2015, fourth year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 years हमें बनाना है. So I draw here. The year is followed 31st December closing. That means 1st January to 31st December. So I draw here January to December, January December. I follow this year, and this is for 2012, 13, 14, and 15 up to December. Okay. Let's go with the first information. First information is on 1st January. They purchased first machinery. Where is first in first year? Where is 1st January? On the first date, they purchased first machinery. I write here first. I give name first, second, third. I give them name. Machinery's name are mentioned here just for our convenience. It is not necessary, it is not compulsory, but for our convenience, we will give name first, second, third, like that. Okay. So second information is given on 1st July 2013. This is the 13th year, 2013. 1st July will be here. Here the second machinery was purchased. Full information I write here. First machinery purchased for 50,000. Second machinery purchased, this is July. I write here July. Machinery, sorry, purchased for 40,000. This information is mentioned. I will erase this question after recording all this. My question will be transferred here in this rough work. Okay. So now the next information is given on 30th September 2015. That means in 2014 no information is given. In 2015 30th September. 30th September will be here. September end. The first machinery sold for 25,000 rupees. Okay. And accounts are closed on 31st December every year. So here we will close our account book. Here we will close our account book. Here closing of account book, and here also we will close our account books. I hope whole question is written here. We don't need this information now. Again, I repeat, listen carefully. 2012, 13, like this. First year is 2012, and the year pattern is followed January to December, not April to March. Closing is done on December. That means we are following the pattern of January to December. Okay. So 2012, first information was given in 12. So I start with 12 here. First January to December, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4 years बनाने कहा था. So we draw here 4 years. Then every information will be recorded here. On 1st January is here. 1st January, first machinery purchased for 50,000. On 1st July 13, 13 is here. This is 13 years, 2013. 1st July will be in mid. So 40,000 second machinery was purchased. No information about 14. Leave it blank. 2015. In 15, at the end of 3/4 year, on 30th September, that means end of September, the first machine is 25,000 rupees. Now the question is over. Here we have whose mic is on. Please mute your mic. Viraj Sharma, mute your mic, beta. Viraj and Krishna, both of you, mute your mic. Clear? This much is done. Now you all note down in your register all this information because I have limited space. I'll start the solution here. Note down in your registers. I give you 30 seconds. Do it fast. Is it done? Okay, I hope it is done. Let's start. I'll draw here machinery account. Yesterday I told you the proper format of machinery account. I am not drawing your date column. Okay, I will draw your date column, amount column. No ledger column I am drawing here due to lack of space, but you will draw in your registers. Okay, let's start with the first information. First information is on 1st January. I write the same information, whatever is there, same date I write here. On 1st January, we purchase a machinery. Whenever we purchase, we will write here on 1st January 2012 to, this is two side, to cash or bank, no problem. Whatever you want, you can write here cash or bank. If nothing is mentioned, if it is mentioned cash purchase or bank, through check it is purchased, then we will consider cash or bank. Otherwise, anything you can write. So to cash, it was purchased for 50,000. Okay, purchase for 50,000. You will listen it carefully. It is very important chapter. Now we will continue from here. During this year, in between, no event take place. At the end of the year, we will close our accounting records. So end of the year, before closing accounting records, we will charge depreciation on 31st December. We will charge depreciation by depreciation, and I'll write here first. I write here first. I think I should. Okay. So first machinery, this is my rough work. First machinery was purchased for 50,000. 10% is interest, sorry, depreciation rate. So every year 5,000 per annum is the depreciation on first machinery. And let's see how much time period the machinery used. Machinery, first machinery was purchased on the first day of the year. It was purchased for the first day. So whole 12 months this machinery was used. The whole year depreciation we will charge. For 12 months the machinery used. For 12 months depreciation is 5,000. So here we will write 12 months depreciation. 5,000 we'll write here. And then on 31st December we will do closing. Closing कैसे करते हैं? By balance CD. Both side total. Bigger total we will write both sides, and the smaller one will be deducted from it, and the balance will be written in smaller side. It will become 45,000. Closing event is done. Okay, closing. Krishna, beta, mute your mic. Closing 2012. All events are recorded. Let's go for next year. 2013 will start on 1st January, this date. Okay, so on this date, no event is there, but on 1st January 13, we will transfer the balance to balance. It was CD. Now we will write here BD. It was carried down. Here we brought down. Okay, it was 45,000. So we will continue this year with 45. We record the opening balance. Now we will continue with this year, and in between there is some event. Let's record on 1st July. We are purchasing. Purchasing will be in this side. On 1st July to cash. Here I will write here first. And this is second machine we are purchasing. So I write here second. Second machine was purchased for 40,000. Okay. So it is recorded. Again we will continue. There was one, we continued from here. On first day we record the balance. Afterwards we continue. In between there was an event, we record it again, and again we will continue. At the end of the year we have to make closing. For closing we have to do two things. First is on 31st December. First is we will charge depreciation, and second thing is we will calculate balance CD. Two things we have to do. Let's go for depreciation. First thing, what is this first? Now last year we have first machinery, it will continue. ऐसा तो नहीं है second machine purchase करेंगे तो first machinery we will throw out, no. So first machinery we continue, so first machinery depreciation we will charge. And now we have purchased at the end of the year, we have two machineries now, first and second. So first and second two depreciations we will write here plus. Okay, let's see how much depreciations. First machinery's depreciation is 50,000. Okay, sorry, 5,000. First machinery's whole year depreciation is 5,000, and first machinery is used for the whole year. From the first to last date will be used. So whole year depreciation we will write here 5,000 plus. And the second machine we will calculate here. Second machinery's value is 40,000. इसे ध्यान से सुनेंगे. And 10% is depreciation. So 4,000 is per annum depreciation. But this machinery was used from July to December only. Only this period it was used, not whole year. It was used for 6 months only. July, August, September, October, November, and December. 6 months it was used. So this 4,000 we will convert in 6 months. 6 multiply and this 4,000 for 12. So we will divide with 12. Unit का formula लगा है. Everybody knows it. Unit formula use किया हमने. 4,000 for 12 and we need for 6. So this is 2,000. So this year we will write here 2,000. First machinery whole year depreciation, second machinery half year depreciation. Total depreciation is 7,000. Now we will calculate balancing figure. Total of this side is 85,000 and this side total is 7,000 only. That is closed. ये यहाँ पर क्लोज हो गया है तो इससे कोई कंसर्न नहीं है. जस्ट हमें कंसर्न है सिर्फ इतने से ऊपर वाले से कोई कंसर्न नहीं है हमारा. ओके, सो now 85,000 is bigger total. Bigger means smaller minus करेंगे. 7,000, this is 78,000 will be written in smaller side. Okay, now second year is finished. Let's go for here. मैं यहाँ जगह बना देती हूँ थोड़ी सी. Okay, so third year will start. We will transfer the balance here on 1st January. Balance to balance BD. It was total balance of both machineries. Total balance is 78,000. Clear? Now in third year I'll continue. I have recorded here on first date balance is recorded. Then we will continue. No event during the whole year. At the end we have to do closing. Okay, at the end we have to do closing. So let's go for closing. अब मैंने सारा इरेज कर दिया बेटा यहाँ से. ठीक है, जगह कम पड़ रहा है. बाय डेप्रिसिएशन क्लोजिंग के लिए हमें 2 एंट्रीज करनी होती है. फर्स्ट इज depreciation and second is balance CD. Okay, so we will do. Now we have two machineries, first plus second. Two machineries. First machineries पीछे से चली आ रही है. Whole year it will be used. And in third year also second machinery was purchased in mid last year. But this year from first to last date will be used. So whole year depreciation is 4,000. So whole year depreciation we will write here 9,000. And let's go for balancing. 78,000. 78,000 minus 9,000 is 69,000. This is the balance. Now fourth year is very much important. See carefully. Fourth year is very much important. On 1st January to balance BD, we will transfer the balance of both machineries. In this year, in beginning, on first day, we will continue during this year, and on 30th September we sold the machinery. 30th September, first of all, now for selling we have to do 3 entries. For sale only, purchase mein there was only 1 entry, just we write here to cash and that's all. But for sale we have to do 3 activities. What? First is depreciation. Depreciation of first machinery we are selling. Second, बाकी मशीनरीज क्लोजिंग डेट पर ट्रीट करेंगे हम उन्हें. अभी हम सेल के टाइम पे सिर्फ सेल वाली मशीनरी को ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. सेल कौन सी मशीन हो रही है? फर्स्ट. तो फर्स्ट मशीन कितना टाइम यूज? फर्स्ट मशीनरी का होल ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन, मैं रफ वर्क बना रही हूँ बेटा इधर. 5000 था होल ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन. कितना टाइम यूज हुई फर्स्ट मशीनरी? जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर. ओके, सो 9 मंथ ये वाली मशीनरी हुई. सितंबर एंड में सेल किया हमने, तो सितंबर भी पूरा काउंट करेंगे. 9 मंथ यूज किया, तो हम इसका 9 मंथ का डेप्रिसिएशन निकाल लेंगे कितना होता है. ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा जल्दी से कैलकुलेट करके बताओ. कैलकुलेट करेंगे जल्दी से. 3500 रुपीज इज द डेप्रिसिएशन. 35 होगा? नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ है. कितने बच्चे एक्टिव है देखिए जरा, जल्दी से बताओ, टाइम अप होने वाला है. जल्दी बताएंगे. नहीं बताया अभी तक किसी ने? चलिए मैं बता देती हूँ. 3750. ओके, दिस इज द depreciation charged. Okay, now the second activity is it is sold. Sold to cash will be received ना. and क्या लिखेंगे? जब हम कैश मशीन परचेज करते हैं तो ट्रू कैश इधर लिखते हैं, जब कैश जाता है तो इधर लिखते हैं. तो सेल में कैश इधर लिखेंगे. बाय कैश और बैंक, एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट. कितने की सेल की हमने? कितने की वैल्यू दी हुई थी? 25,000. सो without any analysis we will write here 25,000. and the third activities, अब इसे ध्यान से देखेंगे. मैं यहाँ रफ वर्क बना रही हूँ, यहाँ ध्यान से सुनेंगे. It first machinery was purchased for 50,000. उसके बाद हमने इसमें फर्स्ट टाइम डेप्रिसिएशन, जितने भी आज तक के डेप्रिसिएशन है सारे माइनस करेंगे. फर्स्ट डेप्रिसिएशन हमने कितना लगाया था? सी, फर्स्ट डेप्रिसिएशन 5000 था, तो आई राइट हियर 5000. सेकेंड ईयर में डेप्रिसिएशन लगाया 5000. ठीक है, सेकेंड ईयर में भी आई राइट हियर 5000. थर्ड ईयर में डेप्रिसिएशन फिर 5000 लगा, फिर से 5000 माइनस किया. फोर्थ ईयर में 3750 लगा रहे हैं हम, माइनस 3750. माइनस करो जल्दी से 50 में से. ये वैल्यू बच गई हमारी 3250. मैं इसे हटा देती हूँ, जगह कम पड़ रही है. वैल्यू बच गई हमारी 32,250. ये वैल्यू बच गई हमारी. यहाँ आना चाहिए था, जगह नहीं थी. ये वैल्यू बच गई. ये तो बुक वैल्यू है, और हम सेल वैल्यू कितनी है हमारी? हम सेल कर रहे हैं 25 में. 32 की चीज को 25 में सेल करोगे तो कितने का माइनस करोगे ना? 7,250 का लॉस हुआ ना. लॉसेस आर ट्रांसफर्ड. लेट्स सी कहाँ ट्रांसफर करेंगे लॉसेस को. लॉसेस विल बी रिटन हियर बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. कितने का लॉस हुआ था? 7250. ये लॉस हुआ था हमें. सेल की 3 एक्टिविटी होती है, तीनों एक्टिविटी खत्म. 30 सितंबर को हमने तीनों एक्टिविटी की. आगे चल दिए, आगे चले तो क्लोजिंग डेट आ गई. 31 दिसंबर को हम क्लोजिंग करते टाइम 2 काम करते हैं. कौन कौन से? एक तो डेप्रिसिएशन, पर फर्स्ट मशीन तो फिनिश ऑफ कर दी हमने सेल करके. नाउ हाउ मच मशीनरी वी हैव? जस्ट वन मशीनरी. सेकंड मशीनरी वी हैव, एंड सेकंड मशीनरी पे तो कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, वो तो पहले खरीदी थी, उसके बाद पूरा साल यूज हो रही है, तो होल ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन विल बी चार्ज फॉर सेकंड मशीन. एंड द बैलेंसिंग फिगर, बैलेंस CD. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे बैलेंस? फिर वैसे ही टोटलिंग करेंगे. 69,000 बिगर टोटल बोथ साइड, एंड द स्मॉलर साइड टोटल करो जल्दी से, कितना हुआ है? टोटल करके बताओ जल्दी, जो भी आएगा इस सबको टोटल करके बिगर टोटल में से माइनस कर लेंगे और ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर निकल जाएगी एंड एप्रिसिएशन इज कंप्लीट. स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड इज ओवर. आई होप आप सब इसको नोट करना चाहेंगे. You all note down from the first till then I'll take your attendance. Okay, you note down, screen is on.